Modem versus router. What's the difference? If you've ever wondered what modems and routers actually do, you're not alone. Many people confuse them because internet service providers often combine modems and routers into one device. Let's start with an overview of modems and routers. Quick overview of modems and routers. Simple answer. A modem connects your home to the internet. A router connects your devices to that internet. Each piece of equipment has a job. Think of it like this. Your modem is the front door to the internet. Your router is the traffic controller inside your home. The modem brings the internet in, and the router shares it with your phone, laptop, and TV. What a modem does. What is a modem? A modem connects your home to your internet provider. It connects to cable, fiber, or phone line. Translates internet signals. Brings internet into your home. The modem acts as a bridge between your home network and your internet provider. What a router does. A router takes that internet connection and shares it with your devices. It creates your Wi-Fi network, connects multiple devices, directs traffic to the right device. The router makes sure your data goes to the right phone, laptop, or TV. How modems and routers work together. How it all connects. The modem brings in the internet, and the router distributes it. Do you need both? In most homes, yes, you need both a modem and router. Modem provides the internet connection. Router distributes the Wi-Fi to your devices. Some providers give you a combo device that does both jobs. Best practices for troubleshooting routers and modems. If your internet is slow or not working, here's how you troubleshoot it. Restart both the modem and router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Turn the modem on first, then the router. If these steps do not fix the issue, you may need to contact your internet service provider. Quick recap. Modem brings internet into your home. Router shares it with your devices. Understanding the differences helps you troubleshoot the devices when your internet is slow, disconnecting, or not working at all. Common mistake. One common mistake is thinking your router is your internet. If your internet stops working, restarting the router alone might not fix it. You may need to check the modem too. For a full guide and troubleshooting help, check out the link below. You can also learn more about the basics of the internet and equipment. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.